Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine located in Burnsville, Minnesota. What we have for sale today is a 2005 Mercury 25 horse 4-stroke. This is a long shaft. Came back with compression on both cylinders at 95 psi. It'll come with the prop that is on it. New spark plugs, new impeller, new oil filter, new fuel filter, new lower unit lube, new power head oil, and clean the carburetor. We'll go ahead and fire this one up here. Give it a second here. Had it pumping good water. Just put new water in the tank so I can actually see the bottom. Kind of crazy. Go ahead and put this in forward. Put it in neutral. Reverse. Back to neutral. Shut it off. Back forward. If you're interested in it, you can give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email James Jr. at bmr1.com. Thank you and have a great day.